This is a 2018 Road King. Vivid black. 107 cubic inch. Milwaukee 8. Outstanding bike. Very popular, always has been, and I'm going to say always will be. 6-speed transmission. 6-gallon fuel tank. Easy open locking saddlebags with coil shocks. Amazing bike. A little place there for a rider's backrest. You could also put a passenger's backrest on it too, of course. Rear footboards is a feature that comes on the Road King. Tow and hill shifter. And this bike has 18,287 miles, but still under factory warranty. It is a Road King. Hydraulic clutch, cruise control, detachable windshield, engine guard, all that are stock features on the Road King. If you've never ridden one, you need to. Come on by here, take a test ride, take it around the block, take it down the road. You'll love it, and then take it home. Salem, Harley-Davidson.